Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss about globe, a model of the earth. Especially in this session, I will explain you directions on the globe, directions on the globe, then lines on the globe. Directions on the globe, lines on the globe. Before going to these topics, last session I made a small mistake. What I told 400 years ago, people thought that earth was flat. Not 400 years ago, 600 years ago, people thought earth was flat. How many years ago? 600 years ago. Then note down that correction. Then directions on the globe. Directions are very important. If you wanted to travel one place to another place, by that time using the directions, people are generally traveling. Do you understand? So, see, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. Do you understand? If your face is towards the north, okay, na? Face is north, then your right side is east. Left side is west. Behind south. Suppose your face is towards east. By that time, right, south, left, north, behind, west. Okay? Such a way we point out, we show the directions. Okay? So, compass showing the directions. Which one showing the directions? Compass showing the directions. Just now I told you, if you wanted to travel around the earth, okay, then by that time these directions are very important. If you wanted to go anywhere else, any city, directions are very important. These directions playing very important role. Then lines on the globe. If you observe the globe, then what we can find on the globe? Horizontal lines, vertical lines. Apart from the continents and oceans, lines are observing vertical lines and horizontal lines. First, I will explain you about latitudes. Whether this is a latitude or longitude, both are imaginary lines. Both are imaginary lines. Only on globe these imaginary lines will appear. But in reality, if you see the earth, lines are these vertical lines, horizontal lines not existed. Our convenient purpose, if you wanted to find out a location, by that time these latitudes and longitudes are very helpful. That's why we are drawing longitudes and latitudes. You understand? See, this is globe. This is earth axis. Okay, na? Earth axis passes middle of the earth. This is north pole, this is south pole, this is axis. This is also imaginary line. X is also imaginary line. Okay, so latitudes are imaginary lines. Horizontal lines are called latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary lines, then these are horizontal lines. Okay na? How latitudes are helpful? To point out location. These are all called latitudes. Longest latitude is, tell me anybody, equator. Longest latitude is equator. Apart from the equator, we have many other important latitudes, like 23.5 north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 south latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. Then 66.5 north latitude is called as Arctic Circle. Then 66.5 south latitude is called as Antarctic Circle. These are the important latitudes. Latitudes are parallel lines. Okay, now latitudes are parallel lines. Do you understand? These are all parallel lines. Okay, these are all circles, full circles, parallels as well as circles. This is all about latitudes. Do you understand? Imaginary lines, these are all latitudes are imaginary lines. These are all horizontal lines. Okay, then many latitudes we are seeing. Among them, largest latitude is equator. Equator halves the earth into two. One is northern hemisphere, down southern hemisphere. Do you understand? Here 23.5 north latitude called as Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 south latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 north Arctic. 66.5 south. Okay na? So Antarctic Circle. Then North Pole, South Pole. Both are dots. Leave it. Okay. So this is about latitudes. Latitudes are helpful to find out a location. Then longitudes. Longitudes also imaginary lines. See, longitudes. These are also imaginary lines, like latitudes. Okay, imaginary lines. These are all vertical lines. Okay, now which are vertical lines? Longitudes are vertical lines. These longitudes are not full circles. These are all half circles. Half circles. So 0 degrees longitude are called as prime meridian. Prime meridian. Do you understand? So among the latitudes, which is the longest latitude? 0 degrees. Okay, now latitude is called as prime meridian. Okay, do you understand? It passes through London Observatory Hall. 0 degrees longitude, also called as prime meridian. Do you understand? These are all half circles. Which are half circles? Longitudes are half circles, then latitudes are full circles. How many longitudes are there? 360. How many? 360. How many latitudes are there? 180 plus 1, total 181 latitudes. How many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes. Okay. 180 degrees east-west longitude, also called as international dateline. International dateline. Do you understand? 180 degrees east-west longitude also passes here only. Okay na? Here 179 longitudes are there. Then this is which hemisphere? Western hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere. Okay na? Here also 179 longitudes are passing. Middle 0 degrees prime meridian. Here only 180 degrees east-west longitude passing. That is called international dateline. Just now I told you, by using both longitudes and latitudes, we are finding out location of a country or place. Do you understand about these longitudes and latitudes? Okay, now I am concluding this session.